I know I've said this before on here, but Thich Nhat Hanh has this fantastic teaching that he uses to kind of snap us out of ourselves. And he'll refer to it as the realm of the relative and the realm of the ultimate. I actually first heard a form of this reference for the first time in the finale of The Good Place, which if you haven't watched yet, you should stop and go watch that and then come back. But according to his teaching, to get this idea of what's really going on, you can think about waves and the ocean. From one perspective, waves look separate. They each have their own form. They look like fixed entities, like they're keeping their shape. And then at the end of their life, they crash on the shore, essentially dying. And that's the story of the wave. But when you tell the story of the ocean, then things change. When you widen your lens to see the whole ocean, you realize that waves aren't separate at all. They're just smaller manifestations of the one great ocean. And you see their forms aren't fixed either. They're constantly changing as water is moving through them. The same water, by the way, which makes up every other wave. And when it crashes on the shore, the wave doesn't actually go anywhere. How can it? Its form just changes again. It returns to its source because the wave is temporary, but the ocean is eternal. And what's true of waves is also true of humans. We are impermanent. We don't have separate selves. We're all just part of this ongoing shape-shifting dance of the universe, of atoms and stardust and energy. The ground of being, what we really are, that's eternal. And Thich Nhat Hanh teaches the wave is the realm of the relative. The ocean is the realm of the ultimate. What Buddha called nirvana, or Jesus called the kingdom of God. And if we can stay awake to both realms at the same time, with this kind of non-dual awareness, it opens us up to a courage and a freedom that we could not find otherwise.